Welcome to the Pure Water Mini Classic CT unboxing video. My name is Taylor and today I will be demonstrating how to initially set up your water distiller. When you first get your distiller, make sure to carefully take out all the items from the box. In the box, you will have your Pure Water Mini Classic CT water distiller, a power cord for the machine, a 1 gallon glass jar with a lid. This lid also does have a handle with a pour-through spout on top. You've got 2 spare O-rings for the steam outlet located on the boiling tank, 1 post-carbon filter which will sit in the stainless steel filter tray, your owner's manual, and the warranty card. To register for the warranty, you may either fill this out and mail it back to us, or you may go to our website at mypurewater.com. During this video, keep the owner's manual by you as you can follow along the instructions for the first time startup. I would also suggest keeping this manual with you as you will want to clean your boiling tank and replace your filter in the near future. Now, before we begin, let's go over some important safety information.
Always operate the distiller indoors. Allow at least 3 inches of clearance around the unit when in operation. Always unplug the power cord before assembling, repairing, or doing any work on the distiller. Never immerse the distiller in water or any other liquid. Never operate the distiller with a damaged cord or allow the cord to become exposed to hot surfaces. Never let children play with the distiller. Make sure your electrical outlet is properly grounded. If in doubt, contact a qualified electrician. Never remove the boiling tank from the unit until it has cooled down. Do not use an extension cord.
Now that we've gone over some important safety information, let's dive into the first time startup. So, the Pure Water Mini Classic CT is a very high quality water distiller made in the USA. When you go to operate your distiller, you're going to open the door to your boiling tank, pull on the black handle, and take your boiling tank out of the distiller. Then you're going to remove the lid by turning the black knob counterclockwise. And you may need to wiggle out the lid a little bit because there is a crossbar on the other side, which helps to keep this properly sealed while it's operating. Before we begin filling up the boiling tank, what I want you to do is I want you to look inside your boiling tank for the water level indicator. This is noted in the owner's manual. It is going to look like the bottom of a screw. So this water level indicator is very important when you are filling up your boiling tank. You want to make sure that the water level hits right at the bottom of this indicator. It is important that you're not overfilling or underfilling the boiling tank. So we're going to go to the sink, fill it up with our tap water. Make sure that you are monitoring it so that way it's not going above that water level indicator. You do also want to make sure that when you are filling it up, you are filling it up with cold water. So, take your boiling tank. Put the lid back on. Again, you may need to wiggle it in a little bit and turn the black knob clockwise. until you feel that it is properly secure. Then take your boiling tank. We're going to put it right into the distiller. Just like so. Shut the door. So now that your boiling tank is in your water distiller, you're going to grab your glass jar, make sure that you remove the lid, and you're going to put it in the water distiller here. For this first time, make sure that you are leaving your post-carbon filter and the stainless steel filter tray off to the side. We are going to use those for later on, but for this first time, they are going to be off to the side. Then you have your power cord. You're going to plug the power cord directly into the water distiller, and then into a properly grounded outlet in your home or in your office. So, the Pure Water Mini Classic CT has 2 switches. You will see that we have one switch on the side of the distiller. This is your power switch. You may turn this to the on position. The other switch is located on the front of the distiller. This is called your start cycle switch. This is the switch that you will want to use when beginning a cycle. We're going to turn this switch on. Notice how power is drawing directly to the distiller because your fan is on. Your boiling tank is going to begin heating and it is going to start making distilled water for you. In approximately 3.5 hours, you will have about 3 liters or 0.8 gallons collected in your glass jar. So after your first batch is complete of making your distilled water, you are going to use that water for soaking your post-carbon filter. Whatever is left over from that first batch, you can either discard that or you can even use it for the plants in your home. That first batch is not for drinking. So during this time, we have been soaking the filter for about a minute in a clean bowl. So make sure your hands are clean, and what you are going to do is you're going to finely move the carbon sediments around with your fingers. What we're doing here is we're just breaking up the carbon so that way when the next batches of distilled water flow through the filter, it flows through very easily and into your glass jar. Okay, so once that's complete, you're going to put your filter in the stainless steel filter tray. This will go right above where your glass jar was located in 2 stainless steel brackets. So, put it right here. Okay, and then grab your glass jar. Put that right over there. And now you may begin your next batch of distilled water. Thank you for taking the time to watch the Pure Water Mini Classic CT unboxing video. If you have any questions, you may contact us at info@mypurewater.com or you may call us at 1-800-875-5915. Thank you.